Greetings, product hunters. I'm Justin, the co-founder and CEO at CulturePulse. Today, I'll show you how you can leverage our platform to generate and optimize advertising copy for Reddit without wasting your time and money on multivariate testing. Unlike most machine learning systems that look at behavioral data, CulturePulse analyzes the belief systems that drive behaviors. It leverages 30 years of clinically validated research to analyze 93 dimensions of human beliefs to optimize your marketing in minutes and not months. Let me show you how this works. So here we start by filling out this form. Here you can say the company or product name that you're looking at. You can also add the tone of voice. So let's say friendly and witty. Number of inputs, we'll say 2. Product description, we will add this here, copy and paste it from online. From here, you can look at the number of communities that we have available. There's over 300 communities on Reddit. These are just subreddits themselves that you can bounce your message off of and hone your message with. Then we also have several interest groups, and these are the same sort of interest groups that you get on Reddit's self-serve ad platform, since CulturePulse is plugged into the Reddit's data API. Thankfully, CulturePulse is super efficient, so we're not paying $20 million a year for this. We'll use Meta, which is all of Reddit. It is sort of the meta group of Reddit. And we will click next. Now what's happening is we really get to work with a deep understanding of the psychological profiles, interests, and concerns of the target audience. Our system is optimizing ads with predictive simulation where you'd otherwise need to do multivariate testing. So our AI system creates digital twins of all of those interest groups and all of those communities. And then it hones this in using a large language model to create ads that are more resonant than others, and then ranks them and it gives you different scores. So let's say you like this copy, you like the idea of talking about media mavens, etc. But you notice that you have a lot of people that are likely to complain on Reddit. So you say, take action quickly to avoid any issues with your online presence. With online. Um, we'll then click Analyze and see if we can't get that up. There we go. Now we've been able to use the fact that we can see how many people are fitting the psychological profile of likely to complain. We can also generate more variants with the touch of a button here. And this allows you to generate more copy over time and see which one you like best. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you and how CulturePulse has helped you to create better ads and increase the returns on your ad spend. Be sure to stay tuned for other modules that we're going to be releasing soon for generating resonant text on Twitter, Instagram, emails, blogs, and other platforms.